This is a different video. I just wanted to show you a really cool tool that you can find online, Google Earth Pro. You can download it to your desktop. It's a desktop app. You can find Google Earth just on the web, but Google Earth Pro gives you some extra features that you can use if you're a pond manager or if you're a land owner or land manager of any kind and you're trying to measure any sort of distance or anything outside in the earth anywhere. And so I've had a number of questions over the past couple of years about how big our pond is, and so just to put that all to bed, I just wanted to show you tools that are available for you, and then also to show how big our pond is. One of the cool features in this Google Earth Pro is that you can go back in the history of all of the imagery, and this is a picture of the canopy, the dense forest woods area in the backyard before the pond was built. And so you can see back here this imagery date right here of 2017, what the backyard looked like, and then this slider bar up here in the fall of or winter of 2019 with the leaves off the tree. You ratchet it up. 2020 was the year of the derecho, the big windstorm in eastern Iowa that decimated the backyard. You can see all of the blowdowns. A lot of this had been cleaned up at this point by the previous owners, but there was so much devastation in the backyard that it just made you sick looking at it. And so we didn't want to look at a big ugly pit in the backyard and wait for the trees to grow back up. So we built a pond. And here becomes the progression of what the backyard looked like here when we started building the pond. The image is a little blurry here, but this was in June of 22. April of 23. Basically full at that point. And then we started getting our leak, and that drained some of the pond. I don't know if those images will capture any of that. But really what I wanted to show you, the feature of this video, is how to use the mapping tool. So you're, just so you know, the history, the imagery history is this icon right here. So this is what the backyard looks like in Google before the derecho, and then you hit the imagery history, and then you can go back to any point in time where Google has saved those satellite images. And so here's the backyard in 2024. And so this measurement tool, this distance tool right here, opens up a dialog box, and you can select a number of the different tabs here to measure all sorts of things. But I'm going to draw a polygon around the circumference of the pond and have it measure the area in acres, and you can change the units of measure here to whatever you're looking at, but you know, most ponds are measured in acreage. So this is a little bit tedious, but when you do this, you just start drawing polygon points here on the map around the edge of the body of water. And I'll do this as quickly as I can. I mean, here, again, this image, our pond is basically at our full pool level. And so we're going to get a pretty good, you know, within a couple 100ths probably in pond acreage. It's a little hard to see exactly where the edge of the water is here, but give or take. So you can see in this dialog box the area as it's drawing the interior of this polygon. I'll call that good. And we can see 0.95 acres. So not quite 1 acre in size, but pretty close. And so that's a really handy tool. You can measure anything. If you've got a pond, you want to know what size exactly. This is useful for a number of things, not just to tell your friends how big your pond is, but if you're needing to treat your water for, with chemical treatment, for any kind of vegetation growth, knowing how many acres, surface area of your pond is helpful to then be able to know how many foot acres you have in volume of water, measuring all sorts of ways to calculate to know how much chemical treatment that you need to put in your water to treat accurately and to not accidentally kill your fish by putting too much chemical in, or not getting the result you're looking for by not putting enough chemical in to do what you're trying to do. And so, really handy tool, free for you. Go and download it off of the internet. Google Earth Pro. Use all of the tools, distance measuring. There you have it. Our backyard pond is not quite 1 acre in size. Thanks for watching, guys. We will see you on the next one. Hope this was helpful. Go ahead and like the video if it was, because that's helpful for me. Appreciate you. We'll see you next time.